The E1 Pro is a dash cam with a compact size of only 1.73 by 1.73 inch. It features a 1/1.8 inch Sony IMX678 sensor, and can record in 4K HDR at 30 fps. Packing a high-performance 4K sensor into such a compact space, this design earned it the German IF Design Award, but at the same time, the compact form brings greater challenges for heat dissipation. From the initial design stage, we conducted rigorous high-temperature tests. We placed it in a high-temperature chamber. The temperature is set between -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Lasts for more than 20 hours. The dash cam features an IPS display. When temperatures exceed 131 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, the screen may experience a blackout. We integrated an NTC active temperature sensor on the main controller to monitor internal temperatures in real time. Within this temperature range, the first high-temperature protection mechanism activates, automatically turning off the screen. This prevents persistent screen blackout at temperatures above 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The second protection mechanism triggers automatic shutdown. This allows the dash cam to cool down, protecting internal components from irreversible damage. Once temperatures drop, the blackout disappears, and the dash cam automatically resumes operation when powered. Second, the dash cam housing uses automotive-grade UL-certified flame-retardant material. This material can withstand temperatures up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing fire and deformation. A demonstration. Left side uses non-flame-retardant ABS material. Right side uses UL flame-retardant material. When exposed to open flame, both ignite. After flame removal, non-flame retardant ABS continues burning, while UL material extinguishes instantly. One is combustible. The other is flame retardant. Beyond heat-resistant materials, metal thermal conduction and vents continuously dissipate internal heat, achieving comprehensive inside-out protection. Third, the biggest difference between dash cam and other electronic devices. In operation and environment, they must continuously capture, store, and overwrite video without interruption, similar to running heavy mobile games or rendering 4K video on a laptop. High performance inevitably generates significant heat. Thus, when you feel heat, it indicates the high-performance chip is operating at full capacity, ensuring safety during driving and parking. Additionally, its operating environment is inside vehicles. When the car is parked in direct sunlight, the temperature can reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit, far exceeding human comfort levels. The E1 Pro uses supercapacitors instead of lithium batteries. This eliminates explosion or swelling risks, enhancing safety in such conditions. In hot climates or seasons, park in shaded areas or underground garages to avoid direct sun exposure. This better protects both your vehicle and dash cam. E1 Pro comes with a 12-month warranty. You may also register on our official website www.vantrue.com to extend the warranty to 18 months. Contact us with any questions or tips about using your dash cam.